Hello dear students. So we'll start with the letter writing part. Just now I told you the format of a business letter. Now we will do the number one letter in this topic, chapter number 10, that is correspondence with the directors. Um, uh, this is the letter regarding the board meeting. Clear? So let's start. In the middle, in bold letters, we'll write the name of the company. As you can see, Diamond Company Limited, full stop. Then you will going to write registered office, complete address, clear, Pune. Then below that you will see CIN number. I told you CIN number is nothing but company identification number. Then L. L stands for listing company, right? You know that there are basically listed and unlisted companies, right? So listed companies are those companies which are registered for stock market, clear? So L, listed companies. Then afterwards you will going to write 5 numbers, clear? L, that means listing companies. After that you will write 5 numbers. Then after that here MH is written. MH is nothing but it's a state code. Then again year, 4 digit numbers, year is written, that is 4 digit number means the incorporation year, in which year the company is incorporated. Then afterwards you can see PLC. What is PLC? It may be a private company or it may be a public company, clear? And afterwards we'll going to write 6 digit number. After writing the private limited company, you will going to add 6 digit number, clear? That is company number. So in this letter, main heading is completed, that is the name of the company, the address of the company, and CIN number, that is company identification number, then state code with incorporation year, and public company or it may be a private company. Afterwards you will write the 6 digit number. Then dear students, you will leave one line. After that you will going to write phone number, right? You can write this phone number, fax number, website, email, and name of the company same in every letter, clear? So phone number, after below that phone number you will write fax number. Then afterwards you will going to write website, clear? Then email, and after completing this part you will see the date, right? The date will going to change. Remember students, you will not going to write the date after, the year after 2021, clear? That means you will going to include those years only which is under 2020, clear? Not beyond that. Then you will going to write the date. Then on the left hand side you will write reference number, clear? Reference number, I told you, it may include both alphabets as well as serial number, clear? Then below that you will going to write the director. This chapter will consist of the letters whom we are sending to directors, right? So the director, the name of the director, then address and city, clear? That means the director Mr. Anju N. Rangwala, then its address and city. Then after that inside letters you will going to write subject. The letter is, that means the purpose of the letter. This letter is regarding the notice of the board meeting, clear? That means the company has kept board meeting on 25th of April 2018, clear? Then you see there are 2 different dates mentioned here. Above it is written 30th March, and after 30th March, that means you all know that what is notice. Notice is nothing but whenever the company has decided to keep a meeting, then at that time the secretary has to give notice to the directors. 21 days notice has to be given by the secretary to the shareholders or the directors, clear? So notice of the board meeting, that means on 25th of April the meeting is kept, so ultimately we have to give notice to the directors before that date. So that is why a 30th March is written. So meeting is on 25th April. So dear sir, again you will going to write salutation. After subject you will going to write salutation, clear? So dear sir, notice is hereby given that the meeting of the board of directors of the company will be on Thursday 25th April 2018 at 11 a.m. at the registered office of the company for transacting the following business. That means students, here the company has kept meeting, day is mentioned, date is mentioned, time is mentioned, and the address is mentioned. Clear? And along with that, secretary is sending the agenda. What is agenda? Agenda is nothing but what are the points to be discussed at the meeting on the meeting date. That is written in agenda. Clear? So you can see here 6 points are included that we'll be going to discuss in the meeting. To read the notice convening the board meeting, then to take note of the minutes of the previous board meeting, then to consider and approve the applications for the transfer of shares, to consider the financial position of the company for the year ended 31st March 2018, to open dividend account, to discuss and decide any matter with the permission of the chairperson. Clear? So these are all the points which is going to be discussed on the board meeting, at the board meeting. Then afterwards you can see you are hereby requested to be present at the meeting. Then thanking you. On the right hand side you will see yours faithfully, the name of the company. Then after leaving some space, you will going to put signature and the company secretary. Here we are not sending any documents, right? So your CC and enclosure will not be there. Clear, students? So this is the first letter, and the secretary is writing this letter to the board of director. That means director, the name of the director is Anju Rangwala. Clear? Here the salutation will change accordingly the male and female person. Clear? If it's a male person, then definitely we will going to write dear sir, and if it is a lady person or the female member, then here we will going to write dear madam. So this is the first letter, that is notice regarding the board meeting. Clear? You can write the same name of the company, address, telephone, fax in every letter. Thank you, students.